Good evening, everyone. One just happened. I just want to try and add it to the list here. St. Martin's region, 3.8. St. Martin's region, Leeward Islands. And they have it at 68. Okay. All right, guys. I'm just going to use USGS because they were the first with it up. All right, so I'm going to post this in with a USGS tweet. I mean, USGS link. Copy. All right. And we need my notes. Got a lot of notes. I apologize for this. I do. But it just came up and I wanted to make sure you got it before I closed it down for the night. Paste. And let's see here. 63 kilometers. Copy. And I've got it 63 kilometers northeast of NICOLA town. And that is KI Kits Nevis, Nevis. All right. Let me copy that and paste it into the notes. And I'll go get the miles. All right, let's go get the miles. And then I can do that. 63 kilometers. Copy. I'm sorry, it just, like I said, this just happened. 63 is 39 miles. 39 miles northeast. And I've got it at 68 miles in depth. Samson, baby, I'll walk you in a minute, babe. 68 kilometers. So now they've got it at 42.2 miles in depth. 42.2. All right, we got you covered right now. All right, let's go ahead and get this report out. All right, USGS, EMSC disagree on this earthquake. USGS said there was a 4.1 central Mediterranean Sea. They've got it 150 miles southwest of Methoni, Greece, at 7.5 miles in depth. EMSC said it was a 3.5 central Mediterranean Sea at 6.2 miles in depth, same location. Both links will be in the description box. EMSC said there was a 3.5, upgraded it to a 4.1, Mendoza, Argentina. They have it 77 miles southwest of San Rafael at 111.2 miles in depth. USGS had it at a 4.1, Argentina, 77 miles southwest of San Rafael at 110.6 miles in depth. And I hope I'm pronouncing that right. RAFAEL. All right, both links will be in the description box. There was a 3.8 southern Iran at 8.0 miles in depth. A 3.4 Crete, Greece. Now they have it 0 miles south of EMBORION at 1.2 miles in depth. There was a 3.4 Ionia Sea region. They've got it 1 mile north of KATASTRARION at 1.2 miles in depth. And a 3.7 eastern Xizang, China at 3.1 mile in depth. Now USGS and the EMSC, here we go. It just came across on the Portugal Earthquake Center and the EMSC Earthquake Center. EMSC said there was a 4.4 Madeira Islands, Portugal region. They've got it 33 miles east of Vila de Porto Santo at 12.4 miles in depth. The Portuguese Earthquake Center had it at 3.8. AN Atlantico-Madeira at 23.6 miles in depth. Both links will be in the description box. There was, according to the USGS, a 4.1 Creek Greece. They have got it 58 miles south of NEA Antoni, ANATOLI, at 6.2 miles in depth. Now, EMSC had it at a 4.1, upgraded it to a 4.5, downgraded it to a 4.1. It's Creek, Greece. They've got it 65 miles south. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. Of Irapitria at 24.8 miles in depth. Hey, Free TV, how are you, sweetie? All right, now, USGS said there was a 4.8 Western Chile rise. They've got it 617 miles west of Ancud, Chile at 6.2 miles in depth. EMSC had it at a 4.9, downgraded it to a 4.8 Western Chile rise. They've got it 979 miles southwest of Santiago, Chile at 29.2 miles in depth. All right, EMSC, USGS finally agreed, okay? Except on the location. EMSC said there was a 4.9 northwest SAKHA, Russia. All right, they got it 94 miles east of OLENEK, Russia Federation, at 6.2 miles in depth. USGS said it was a 4.9, 94 miles east-southeast of OLENYOK, Russia, at 6.2 miles in depth. Both links description box. There was a 3.8 Marshanita, India, MARARASHTRA, India. They've got it at 4.9 miles in depth. I knew I would forget to put a kilometer in here someplace. Hang on, guys. I am slipping on this one. 47 kilometers. Let me see here. It's been a long day. I apologize. And that was 47. Okay. There was a 3.2 Costa Rica. They've got it at 29.2 miles in depth. Let me write it down, 29.2. USGS EMSC agreed. There was except on the location on this next one. USGS said there was a 3.3 Nevada, 16 miles south-southwest of Mena, M-I-N-A, at Mena, at 7.2 miles in depth. EMSC said it was a 3.2. Sorry, they disagreed. I apologize. Nevada, 40 miles southeast of Hawthorne at 6.2 miles in depth. Both links description box. All right, EMSC started this off as a 4.8, upgraded it to a 4.9 Vanuatu. They've got it 41 miles north of Isangle, ISANGEL, at 159 miles in depth. USGS has it the same location, 4.9. Vanuatu, 36 miles northeast, same location at 15.8 miles in depth. Both links will be in the description box. And the last one that just occurred as I was coming on was a 3.8 San Martin region, Leeward Islands. They've got it 39 miles northeast of Nicola, Nicola Town, Kitts, Kitts, and then it's got it NEVIS at 42.2 miles in depth. It hasn't stopped ringing, guys. Hasn't stopped ringing. All right. So let me go ahead and copy these links. I'm not going to start emailing these links. I've got too many here. Copy. All right. Copy, please. Thank you. Now we're going to go ahead and go to YouTube and post these links. Free TV, how you doing, babe? Are you having a good day? Going to go to edit and video, and we're going to post all these links into this right now, and hopefully I can get them all in there. That last one may have busted the budget. Nope, it did not. Nicola Town, Saint Kitts, K-I-T-T, Kitts. Never heard of that place before, ever. So now we're going to save it. And then we're going to put it all into, let me make sure all the links are there. I should have. Yes, it is. Okay. I'm going to save this into community for you. We're doing okay. Tom sees the doctor tomorrow. So I will be doing nothing but major earthquakes. We're going to go get test results. 2 more tests, maybe 3. I can't remember what he said, but when we get there, believe it or not, we've got to text the office, let them know we're sitting in the parking lot. Okay, it is now in YouTube, guys. Let them know we're sitting in the parking lot so they can let us come up when it's safe. And they'll do the tests in the office. So I'll hopefully know something by tomorrow, whether their thoughts of cancer is not true, or maybe it is, or maybe it's just something else. We'll find out. All right. I'll keep you guys informed, I promise. All right. All links are now in the description box. And I am now out of YouTube. I appreciate it. I really do. Free TV. Definitely appreciate it. All right. All links are in the description box. Tomorrow, all I'll be doing is major earthquakes while I'm at the doctor's office. If there's a major, you'll get it after I'm done there. All right, because I'm not going to be interrupted by the phone. I'm shutting the phone off when I go into the doctor's office, okay? Because this is important, and Tom's important to me. 2 thumbs up for you. Remember what I said, just major earthquakes tomorrow. No, if there's a major one in the morning before we leave, I will. Bye-bye, free TV, sweetie. Thank you so much. Sending you much love. I will get you morning majors, but that's it, okay? Big hugs, guys. Feel the hugs, even though it's virtual. 2 thumbs up for you. God bless each and every one. Please be safe out there. This video is now ending. Sweet dreams and dream softly.